and it's very less soapy but very good product. I recommend this product. After that I have this L'Oreal Revita Lift Micro Essence for bright and crystal clear skin, and this is MRP 250 and 22 ml का ये bottle है. I've ordered this for the first time, and I ordered this small bottle because I want to try it on my skin first, because I have very sensitive skin एंड मेरे बहुत जल्दी एक्ने और स्किन में प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती है अगर मैं कोई न्यू प्रोडक्ट अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करती हूँ. सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दिस एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट यूज़ इट. ओके, सो like this you have to use this cotton pad. I thought कि gel form में कुछ product होगा, I have to apply it like a cream, but no, it's very liquidy. So this is the product I'm using daily and it's मेरे फेस पे कोई एक्ने नहीं आया है, कोई अभी तक मेरे को प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिखा. आई एम गोइंग टू ऑर्डर अ बिगर वन नाउ. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ दिस लैक्मे सन एक्सपर्ट आफ्टर सन जेल. वाई इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट, like why it's really important for our daily use. Sometimes we forgot to apply sunscreen before going out, and sometimes हमें sunburn हो जाता है even after applying sunscreen. So this is the product for that. ये हम जैसे हम बाहर से आते हैं एंड थोड़ा सा हमें टैनिंग या सनबर्न होता है या बहुत ज़्यादा हमें इचिंग होती है फेस पे, दिस इज़ द प्रोडक्ट जिससे हमें बहुत कूल डाउन फील होता है, बहुत ही रिफ़्रेशिंग हाइड्रेटेड फील होता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इन 150. आई थिंक 150 में like this much product is not like less. It's 50 gram of gel kind of. You can see it's something jelly wiggly stuff inside it, and it's really soothing. If you are feeling के facing the problem also कि sunscreen लगाने के बावजूद भी आपको sunburn हो जाता है, so this is the product for you. And the next product is this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Moves Foundation. MRP it's 150 and it's 6 gram. It's very tiny, like it's मेरी फिंगर जितना इसका ट्यूब है, and it's really very weightless as a name. और ये आप अपने डेली यूज़ में यूज़ कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग लाइक वेयरिंग एनी हैवी फाउंडेशन. एंड दिस इज़ माई ब्रॉन्सन प्रोफेशनल ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग. अभी ये डिस्काउंट में चल रहा है एंड इसका MRP 250 है, बट यू कैन हैव इट इन 120 बिकॉज इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी स्पॉन्ज. पैक what its name, triangle pie. It has this like a circle thing with this. It's now attached. I think we have to remove it, like detach it. And the next product is this Swiss Beauty Swiss Beauty glitter liquid eyeshadow, we can say. And but we can use it in many terms, like हम इसको आई शेडो की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं, हम इसको लाइनर की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. You can also apply it on your lips if you want. You can use it even on your cheeks for highlighting, and you can use it as many ways as you want. It's really affordable. It's like 199 MRP and 2.25. The next product is Color Bar On The Go Makeup Remover. I've ordered it in a small version because I have to carry on my bag. It's also removes waterproof makeup. It has 10 wipes in it. इसका एक बड़ा version भी आता है and you can order it from Nykaa. It's a travel pack. Next product is this Lakme Absolute Shine Line, and this is also a very good product. I'm going to give you a swatch of this product. It's a copper shade. And it's a very thin brush, so you can apply as a liner. You can see it's very glittery. I've tried it on my eyes because I want to give you the review about it. so it's very good. It's smudge proof, it's waterproof. You can apply it on like functions, on your day functions. It's really good. If you don't want any heavy eyeshadow, you can apply it on your liner, black liner, and you can overline it with this. It does amazing. I'm going to give swatches of these two also. How glittery and shimmery they are, you can see. This is the shade Smoky Storm, shade 4. This is the shade 4, Smoky Storm. It's something very grayish, brownish shade. And this one is shade number 2, Diamond Dust. This is also very nice. You can use it on your liner. It's very shimmery as well. Shimmery plus glittery, and I like this product very much. The next product is this Forever 52 Daily Life Forever 52 4 color concealer and corrector also. So this is the product, and it's very handy because I have to carry like 4 tubes of LA Girl. Now I have to carry only this one thing, and it does wonder. It's very pigmented, and it's blend very nicely. It's the corrector, orange corrector. You can see how pigmented it is, and it's blend like very easily. Not I'm doing like it blend very easily. This is the contour shade. This is the concealer, like we can use it under our eyes or just to correct some places. This is yellow shade, which looking very white on the screen, but it's very lemony yellowish shade. Is this, I've opened it and applied it on my eyes today, and it's really a good pigmented eyeliner काजल. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि ये मुझे एब्सोल्युटली फ्री मिला है. लाइक विद दिस कंसीलर, I've ordered this concealer and it's for $6.99, and अगर हम $6.99 and above से हम कुछ order करते हैं, so we get this Daily Forever 52 kajal absolutely free of cost. Thank you Nykaa for this gift. And the last product is this. This was my favorite and I was very excited. इस product के लिए मैं बहुत excited थी because it's a nail enamel and it's cruelty free. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है. And single nail paint का price है 109, and but हमें ये मिलता है 299 रुपीज़ में 4 nail paints, and I think it's a very interesting packaging also. I love the packaging. You can see how manageable they are. Already applied all the shades on my nail. Tell you the shade also if you want to order separate of this. This is a Royal Ruby. This is Floral Dreams. This is Cherry Blast. This is 5 Watermelon 52. So these are 4 shades I've got in the box. और अगर आपको इसमें से कोई भी ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसका आप चाहते हो कि मैं कम्प्लीटली डिटेल्ड रिव्यू दूँ, सो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में नीचे ज़रूर बताइए, एंड आप बेल आइकन पे ज़रूर हिट कीजिए, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड like this video if you think I gave you the honest reviews. So please, thanks for watching and keep watching. Thank you. Bye.